everyone, welcome back to Be My Cook. Today we're going to be making grilled lime chicken with mango salsa. Stay tuned. Some of our ingredients. We have 3 chicken breasts. We have some cilantro, olive oil, red pepper, garlic, limes, mango, and some scallions, and salt and pepper. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is put some salt and pepper on our chicken breast, just to taste. Now I'm going to take our chicken and put it in a plastic bag because we're going to marinate this chicken. Now I'm going to take 2 limes and we're going to use the juice of these in our marinade. And we're just going to squeeze it in the bag. This is what's going to give our chicken lots of flavor. Now I have some garlic here. I like lots of garlic, so I'm going to use at least 3 to 4. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil to our chicken. And we're just going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes up to 2 hours. Smush it all around in this bag and let's get it into the refrigerator. Now while we are waiting for our chicken to marinate, we're going to go ahead and make our mango salsa. That's going to go on the top. I don't need all this pepper. And let's start chopping our vegetables. Okay, I'm going to stop there. If I had 6 chicken breasts, then I would make the whole pepper. I would chop the whole thing. Let's grab a couple scallions. Let's put these in our bowl. Now you don't have to just use this mango salsa for chicken. You also can put it on pork as well, and it's very good. Let's bring our mango up here. Let's slice. Now we're just going to put this mango into some chunks. This is very ripe. That's good. You want your mangoes to be as ripe as possible for the most flavor. We don't want our chunks to be too big, so let's make them a little bit smaller. That's good. Let's get those into the bowl. This is such a colorful salsa, besides tasting great. Now we're just going to put some salt and pepper on this. Just a little bit of pepper, we don't want too much. And a little bit of salt. We still want the sweetness of our mango. Now we're just going to let this sit because we don't need it right now. We're going to let it sit out at room temperature. No need to put it in the refrigerator. And we'll be back. Now I have my pan heating up. We want to make sure that it's good and hot before I add our chicken. I left my chicken in for 45 minutes. And we're just going to set it in the pan. Shake off some of the excess marinade. Now we're going to cook this about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Let's check on our chicken. It's been about 4 minutes. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Nice grill marks. Now we're going to give it about 6 more minutes on this side, and I'm going to put a lid on, make sure that our chicken is done. Let's check on our chicken. Our chicken is done, and I'm going to show you how I serve it. Here is our grilled lime chicken with mango salsa. Now you can serve this with rice and beans and even some tortilla chips, because this mango salsa, if you put a few jalapenos in there, it's great on tortilla chips as well. So if you'd like to see some more recipes from me, please subscribe to my channel, give this channel a like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.